Hi student, welcome in chemistry classes. Now discuss about coordination compound. The topic is distribution of d electron in octahedral complex. Distribution of d electron in octahedral complex. You know that generally for this concept is a very easy. You take this concept easily to distribute the electron in all d orbital like d1 to d10. That means d1, d2, d3, d4, d5, d6, d7, d8 and d10. So these are the electronic configuration easily to write. So for this concept first of all. Okay. The types of octahedral complex, that means delta naught type of octahedral complex. There are two types. One is delta naught is a less than P, also delta naught greater than P. That means crystal field splitting energy of octahedral complex less than pairing energy. P means pairing energy. Here present are the pairing energy. What do you mean by pairing energy? Energy required to pair up two electron against electron repulsion. That is called a pairing energy. That is called a pairing energy, or energy required to pair up two electron against electron repulsion. It is called a pairing energy. Okay. So delta O less than P, it is called a spin free. That means all electron free state. That means unpaired electron is present. Spin free. Now the spin free means high spin complex. High spin complex. High spin complex means outer orbital complex. Outer orbital complex means a weak field complex. That is a more important point for octahedral complex. When you compare to the pairing energy, crystal field splitting octahedral energy is very less. So that ligand means weak field ligand or weak field complex. It is also high spin complex, also spin free complex. That means finally more important. So no pairing of d electron. That means all d orbital is a filled or filled configuration. After that get pair only. Before not pair until filled for the off-filled configuration. Okay. So more important. Okay. So delta 0 less than P, spin free, high spin complex, weak field ligand. Now pairing of the d electrons. D orbital splitting the two energy level already know about. So d orbital splitting for here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are two types of splitting. 1, 2, 3. Here also 2. Here T2G. Here also EG. Okay. So here no pairing of electron. Suppose 5 electron present in d orbital, like it is a d5 state. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electron present in d5 configuration. This 5 electron is a distribution for T2G level. 1, 2, 3 electron is a present. After that, the electron goes to for the higher energy level EG, 4th electron and 5th electron, like that. First electron, second electron, third electron. 1, 2, 3. 3 electron is a present. After the 4th electron goes to the higher energy level and then the electron. So no pairing of d electron. Here no pairing of d electron. So this type of the complex called weak field complex or high spin complex is a spin free. Suppose in this type of the complex, when crystal field splitting energy octahedral complex are greater than pairing energy P. So that type of the complex are spin pair. All spin electrons is a pair. Okay, that is called low spin complex, inner orbital complex, strong field complex or strong ligand. So d electrons are pair. When delta 0 less than P, you compare to pairing energy, crystal field splitting is very high. So the electrons all are paired like that. So T2G 1, 2, 3. 4th electron is not follow the Lorentz rule to come back to the T2G orbital. So 6 electrons are finished. After that, go to for the Eg orbital 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose in this complex. One, two, three, four, five. Two types of the splitting. Here also two types. So T2G, here also Eg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons are present. That 5 electrons, here the condition delta naught greater than P, here delta naught less than P. More important the condition. So greater than P. So 5 electrons are present. T2G level is a first filled. After that, go to for the higher energy level. So 1, 2, 3 electron. Fourth electron you get the pair. 4 and 5. That is called a spin pair, also low spin complex. So these are the concept you know very well. You filling the d electron up to d1 to d10. This is a more important the concept. How to fill the electron. So we can write the electronic configuration for this ligand field like that. Here T2G. How many electrons are present in T2G? 2, 2 plus 1. Totally 5 electron. T2G 5. Eg 0. That is called electronic configuration for ligand field. Here also electronic configuration of the ligand field. T2G. How many electrons are present? 3. Eg electron, Eg 2. So we can write the D1 to D10 electronic configuration. It is a more important the concept types of octahedral concept. Based on this concept, you know the one value. It is a more important, that is called a crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy. Crystal field stabilization energy, CFC, to find out the octahedral complex. So this crystal field stabilization energy equal the energy difference between the ligand field minus energy difference between the isotropic field. That is the crystal field stabilization energy. Maximum the energy of the isotropic or Barry center, that means the average center, it equal maximum is 0 here. Isotropic equal to 0 maximum. Energy of the isotropic field. LF it is called ligand field, and then ISO it is called isotropic field. So energy of the ligand field, crystal field stabilization energy equal to, answer now. You know, it is two types of the splitting. You know the energy level also. You know, okay. So minus 0.4 into n into T2G plus 0.6 into n into Eg, and then it is a octahedral plus NP. So NP means number of pairing energy. EISO means isotropic field means is also 0. So we can find crystal field stabilization energy. We get the easily the formula. So minus 0.4 into n T2G plus 0.6 into n Eg octahedral plus NP. This also NP. This also NP. So here n T2G means number of electron in T2G orbital. Number of electron in T2G orbital, and Eg means number of electron in Eg orbital. Number of electron in Eg orbital. Also Np means pairing energy. Pairing energy. That means how many electrons paired in d orbital also. Here also it is also n0 maximum 0. It is also n dash p also. N dash p means number of pairing energy in central metal atom. Here Np means number of pairing energy in Ligand field. That's all. Okay. So these are the more important the point. More important the formula. You calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. Okay. So minus 0.4 into N22G into 0.6 into NEG delta naught plus NP. We can pairing energy. NP means pairing energy. So we can easily to calculate the crystal field stabilization energy. Suppose now we are take for this example. Already say given for this example. Suppose you take this complex one, this type of the complex 2. So high spin complex and then low spin complex. Both are complexes present or spin free, spin paired complex. You take this complex, we have calculated the energy. Suppose number 1. Crystal field stabilization energy. You know the formula. Minus 0.4 into N to the number of electron in T2G orbital. Here this is T2G orbital. How many electrons are present? 3 electrons are present. So 3 plus 0.6 into number of electron in EG orbital. Number of electron in EG orbital means 2. Here also 2 into delta naught plus. So Np means number of pairing electrons. Here how many pairs are present? No pair. So 0 into P. So we can calculate and then minus 1.2 plus 6 into 12 plus 1.2 plus 0. So minus 1.2 plus 1.0 means 0. So crystal field stabilization energy equal to 0 for this D5 complex. So this D5 complex. Okay. Pairing energy means here also no delta naught is less than. Similar you calculate also this complex. This complex also. This also D5 energy. So crystal field stabilization energy for this complex. Here 5 electrons are present. So formula number of 0.4 into number of T2G electrons. 2 plus 2 plus 1 totally 5 plus 0.6 into number of EG electron 0. It is also octahedral. So octahedral plus pairing energy 1 2 pairing energy. So 0.4 into 5 minus 2.0 into G plus 0 octahedral plus 2p. It is also minus 2 delta naught plus 2 pairing energy crystal field stabilization energy for this complex D5 complex. This delta naught less than p, you know the complex also delta naught it is a greater than p. It's a spin free complex. Okay, this spin free complex, spin paired is also spin free. It is called high spin complex. High spin complex. It is also low spin complex. High spin complex, it is also low spin complex. That's all.